to ask some of you, what's your impression about Hong Kong? This is in Central, in Hong Kong Island. We used to have a lot of functions. For example, we have exhibitions and interactive games. When you want to cook it, you put it with the rising tide and then a layer of water that is as thick as your hand. I'm going to give you a poll and then you can try to guess the answer. Okay, here we go. Hong Kong is the Cantonese way. Hong Kong, it actually means that many years ago, we used to have a kind of fragrance that smells so good, and that's why we are called Xianggang, Hong Kong, like good, and a harbor with very good smell.